afternoon, sunshine. Where's my purse? So,
Do you have your wallet?
we don't know where we're going.
Do you have your gum?
We have no idea where we're going, but we're going.
Wait for me! Daddy!
But we're getting out of this house. It's
That's something on you. That's what you should.
it's 1:30. And what are you doing?
I'm trying to make a bubble.
You are. So we are going to Target or Walmart, one of them. My husband needs deodorant and body wash. He doesn't have any. These people have been moving for months.
So you do it right.
Go, go, go.
Take your time.
Then you want to go take your time now? This is not take that long.
Y'all sit down already, man.
We're gonna go to Target.
I'm gonna take you out and sit your ass down.
We're gonna go to
You
Target.
sat down?
Yeah.
My husband is cranky. That's what happens when you have a cranky husband. He worked last night. So he's like extra cranky. He's like extra cranky, so.
Take it.
What is it? God.
That's your phone, okay?
Gio,
Right.
where are we?
Yard sale.
It's a who? It's not a yard sale. It's a flea market.
I think it's a yard sale.
No, it's a flea market. I saw some baby stuff.
Oh, I'm in the front?
Yeah.
I would have parked up there. I mean, that's where we're going.
We can look at the other stuff. I mainly did it for the baby stuff. I know. That's why I came.
A baby stroller, mommy.
Cute little one.
I saw a purple stroller, mommy. That's cute. That doesn't even flip.
I didn't see anything over there at the at the flea market. So yeah, I didn't see anything over there at the flea market. And that little swing that I was looking at, it looked like it had some kind of bug in it, and I'm like, oh. So it's very rare that I buy used stuff for her, and it depends on what it is. Like, it totally depends on what it is, you know. So, and you can always sanitize it, so it's not a big deal. So it's not a big deal for me. I mean, some things you can find like brand new at a thrift store or at like a yard sale or a flea market, but you still have to be careful. So I didn't find anything that suits my needs, or yeah. So we just left. So I don't even know where we're going right now. We were supposed to be going to, I thought my husband said we were going to Target or Walmart or whatever, but I guess not. So I don't know where he's going. Like, look at that face. That face does not scream, I want to tell you where I'm going. So I'm not gonna ask. So you guys will see where we end up. Okay guys, so we're back. We did end up going to Walmart. I didn't record in there because Walmart is not my ideal place to be. Like, I go in Walmart and I literally immediately get irritated. Like, Walmart is not my place to shop, but it's affordable, so I go there. And trust me, the people that shop there are a different breed of people. I don't know where they come from, but it's like you can go into Walmart a very respectable person and walk out a very ghetto person when you go to Walmart. It's just Walmart. I don't think it's the people. I think it's Walmart. So I'm gonna go make these kids some lunch, and that's it for the day. There's nothing else going on around here. There's nothing else going on. I need to get that breakfast plate. There's nothing else going on. I'm hoping my husband will cook lunch. But, honey, are you gonna cook lunch?
He's doing his thing.
So, I think this is it for the. Oh, this is what we got. We got speed stick for my husband and Olay. That's about it.
Mommy, I play Play-Doh.
Ask your sister.
No, there's no Play-Doh in it.
Relax, guys. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to end up making
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my Starbucks drink. So, if you stay tuned for that, I'll show you guys how I make that, because I'm about to make me one. Yes, you did. Go sit down. I'm about to make me one now because I'm extremely thirsty, because my husband did not buy me anything, because we're on a very strict budget of. You did. Go have a seat. Don't lie to me, because I'm the one that gave it to you. So, I'm good. Yeah, we're on a very strict budget of no spending out, because I calculated how much my husband was spending on the road just by himself, and it was a grand total of almost $700 per month. Per month. This is not every 2 months, every 3 months. No, this is per month. And if you do the calculation, that's almost close to $8,000 per year. So that extra money could be going towards our savings, and so we can get out of here faster. So he's like, are you gonna start making my lunches so I can take with me? So now I've done committed myself to making him lunch to make. Could you guys turn that down? So now I committed myself to making his lunches. Could you guys turn that down? I done commit myself to making his lunches for the road. So I probably will start doing videos on that, on how I prepare his lunches and how I plan his lunches and all of that, because I used to do it before he started being on the road, because before he was like, you know, located. Now he's actually on the road, so it's more difficult when you're on the road to take your food with you, but it can be done. So I'm gonna show you guys how I plan on doing that, and then saving us that $7,000 per year. So we shall see, because we need that money. With another little baby coming, we need that money. So yeah, that's that. So anyways, I'm gonna go make myself a Starbucks, and I'll show you guys how I do that, and then I think that's it for the vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching, and like I told you guys, I'm gonna go back to scheduling vlogs so that you guys have something to watch. It's not gonna be the best quality because I'm not a professional vlogger. I don't vlog for a living. This is not something that is my full-time job. I just do it because I love it. You know, I don't get paid by YouTube. None of that. I'm not there yet, but I'm trying my best to make this a second income for our family, because the fact that I'm going to be home for a while, because I'm now pregnant with our 5th child, and usually my husband wants me to stay home with our children until they are in elementary school, which is 5 years. So I will be home for another 5 years. So I won't be starting my career until I'm like 37. I won't be starting my career until I'm 37. And if anyone is interested, I do have a degree in accounting, and as well as I am going to school. Well, I put off schooling as well, but I was going to school for nursing, and I have some credits in early childhood education. So yeah, so I won't be starting my career until I'm like close to my 40, but it's a sacrifice that we make for our children, because you hear of all the horror stories of, you know, children being beaten by babysitters and nannies and all of that. So oh, God, I feel for all the mommies that have to work and depend on other people and trust other people to take care of their babies the way they would. So I feel for you mommies that don't have that opportunity to stay home with your children until they are of school age. So my heart goes out to you guys. It really does, because I really appreciate this luxury that I was given by my husband to practically raise our children. You know, our oldest will be 15 by the time I go back to school and work and all of that, and that's a long time. They've never gone to sitters, babysitters, daycare, any of that. So I thank God for that opportunity. So I'm rambling.